Trying this recipe wasn't a regret at all. It was so delicious and very easy to make. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, this is my cooking channel. Please do not hesitate to subscribe if you are interested in my content. Thank you very much. So I'm going to share with you this simple dawa palm oil jollof with you. Let's get started. I have pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and fresh tomatoes. So you are just going to use only fresh ingredients in this recipe. I've added some basil. It took the recipe to the next level. That is my rosemary. So we are just going to blend everything and I will get back to you. Thank you very much for your patience. Welcome back. Our ingredients are well blended now. I have my palm oil on fire. I'm just going to add some chopped onions, give it a beautiful stir, then add the blended ingredients. This has been on fire for some few minutes and we can cook without our homemade all pepper seasoning. I will add some other seasonings and just give it a beautiful stir. Please, you can choose any seasoning of your choice. I've added fried fish and I'm using red snappers. So after it has been on fire for some few minutes, this is how it is looking. The stew is looking very nice and I've washed my rice, added to the stew. Now I'm adding some coconut water, sorry, that is coconut milk, and then give it a beautiful stir. You can choose to use only coconut water, but I'm adding some water to it. So you make sure that the water is not too much because we don't use water to prepare rice, but we use heat. Okay, so I think this water is okay and I'm just stirring it. You make sure the salt and everything is okay. Let it be on a lower heat. Okay, I'm using a clay pot, so I'm just going to make sure that the heat is going to be very low, because even if the food is ready, it will still be cooking since it is clay pot. So about some few minutes, like 30 to 40 minutes, this is how our rice is looking, and you can see how it has singled out. It's so fluffy. This actually looks more delicious and beautiful than using even vegetable oil or any other oil. You can see how it looks. If I don't tell you that it is palm oil, you won't even know. It looks so delicious and my kitchen smells very good. So I've sauteed some vegetables and I'm adding, so that is onions, scallions, green peas, and you can use any other vegetables of your choice. So I will just add it and give it a stir. I actually didn't regret using palm oil to prepare my jollof rice because it was so nice. If you get nice palm oil, you are going to just enjoy it. This is so delicious. So I'm just going to leave it on fire for just a minute, since I'm not the only one going to eat the food. If I say that, I mean that I don't want my vegetables very soft. I want it very crunchy, but they want it very soft. So I'm just going to leave it on fire for about a minute so that it can be a bit soft for them, so that they can enjoy this delicious meal. So in about a minute, this is how it is looking, and hey, oh my goodness, this with some fried fish or grilled tilapia. Hey, you're just going to enjoy it. You can as well enjoy this with some fried chicken or any protein of your choice. This was so delicious. Try this recipe and you're going to love it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.